Ooh, I feel you.
Oh my God, what does he do?
The Marshall University Emergency Alert System. To repeat this message, press.
New paddock on my wrist, yeah. White dumb and them shits hip, yeah, yeah. I go ready to go get a mink, yeah. New fingerprints in like a skate, yeah. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Why? Hit the shower, you might skate, yeah. Bitch spaghetti on my green. She said that it was so good. Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch spaghetti on my green. Bitch said that it was so great. Okay, girlfriend like my drip. Happy birthday to that bitch.
Alright, let's see what we working with. Let's see what we working with. What's good with y'all, man? Living a college life, you know. We got the storm coming up. We got Hurricane Florence coming up. Hope all y'all safe. Hopefully y'all got power to watch my video. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my college friends that watch my YouTube videos back at home. You know, from wherever. You know. Stop talking. Y'all, kid you not, I ordered this last night at around 6 o'clock in the PM, right? And I wake up in the morning, I get a confirmation on my phone. It's like, your package out for delivery. I'm like, huh? I was happy though. Call me Mr. Supreme. Woo-wee! Alright. Man, I'm gonna just take it out, man. Of course, we got a bag. Got one of these at home. I think it's a smaller one for sure. I had to get another piece. We got 2 stickers right here. We got our stickers. It's just a little unboxing, nothing crazy. I ain't no hype beast or nothing. I did not even know this was gonna come with it. But this is let me take it out for you. So we got Supreme on both sides. That's dope. Focus on me, baby. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And what you guys been waiting for, we got the bag. First, what you guys probably wondering is if this is reflective. So we're gonna find out right now. Yeah, it's reflective. I thought it would be like brighter though. If it's nighttime, somebody driving by, they put them beams on that. They gonna know it's Supreme, trust me. We got a little tag right here. Little drawstring, right? And we got our box logo Supreme at the bottom. We also got a strap in the front. And then we got the and we got the Supreme. We got the Supreme right there. We got a side pocket. And then we got a zipper compartment in here. You know. That's cool. That's cool. And then we got these straps on the side, right? Now these straps, if you know, if y'all skateboarders out there, you got this side strap to strap your skateboard in, your boards and stuff. And then we got a water bottle pocket on each side. Just know your water bottle isn't going anywhere. And we got one on the other side too, in case you want to double up. Also got a really small pocket right here at the top. It's not really, I guess you can put a wallet, some change in there, a few dollars, headphones, stuff like that. And you got a little key hook right here. Could be pretty useful. And then of course, we got the main. We got the main right here. Okay. So this is basically the size of that inside pocket that I just showed you. Do something with it. And if y'all look closely right here, so you got the Supreme right there. You got a Supreme right there. So that goes all throughout the inside, right? And you got a laptop. Got a little laptop compartment. It's not really big. This might be like 15. Let's see. Oh, actually, it's a decent size. It got the laptop protection there too at the bottom. That's good. That laptop is junk. I need me a MacBook. Anybody can give me a MacBook? Let me know. Let's see what else we got. Don't judge me on my reviews. I'm just trying to show you the backpack. We got Dude Perfect right here. That's cool. And yeah, it's pretty. I like it. I could rock with it. I'm gonna put some things in here and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Cause people who just showing y'all the bag, they don't really be showing you like. We got a folder, we got a binder, we got a 5 subject, you know. They don't really be showing you. That's not even enough. Art major, you know. You got your art majors. Espanol, speak Espanol to the gals, you know. Hablo Espanol? Sí. Alright, this actually, I'm not gonna lie, I watched the review on this before I made my purchase. It looked way smaller on the videos. And this is my first Supreme backpack, so you know, why not? I should have got the one from last season, but you know, I didn't. So, like I said, you have these sides to strap in your boards if you like. You know, your skateboarders. I don't like my book bags hanging low, like. So we got to pull that up like that, like these. We're gonna do it like these, and then we got the strap. And we ain't got the whistle like the North Face. Supreme, I wouldn't say it's very visible, but it's there. Did he slide? Okay, they do slide somewhat. New pinky ring set legacy. If you a bad bitch, then we can link. Shower him, I stand alone. Baggity on. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. You get y'all nice. It's the bottom. That's really all there is to it. You know, when you walk by, you flex with the Supreme, but you let them know what it is. So this backpack, actually, I'm loving it. I'm loving it right now. Let's say you walking, got the fanny on, hit him like this, bang. Then you know I got jean jackets and hoodies with stuff on the back. Flex it, you know. Flex it, you gotta flex it like this, you know. They already know what it is. The fall winter stuff first dropped. I seen these. I didn't know they was just coming in the packages like that. But yeah. This is just nice to have. Screenshot. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on IG. Follow me on IG. Everything will be in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? Hold up, let me just give you a sneak peek. Gucci drip. Comment, subscribe, like. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what future videos y'all want to see. And we out.